Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Jim Teske with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
Here are the numbers for today. We almost cracked 50 degrees, even with all the clouds and the rain this afternoon. That's above normal, far from the record high. On this date in 2012, they started spring with a temperature of 79 degrees. That's a record for the day. 27 the low. There's the precipitation, about a third of an inch here in Syracuse. New York State Mesonet reporting sites show most areas between about a third and half an inch of rain. So that's a little bit more than that. Camden as well as Redfield. Now that the rain has moved out, there's still a lot of moisture left over in the lower atmosphere. We mentioned that dense fog advisory for counties east of Lake Ontario and along the South Shore. You can see that on the bottom of your screen. Down to half a mile of visibility in Fulton. At times, it'll be down to a quarter of a mile overnight and as we start the day tomorrow. And with temperatures that'll be at or below freezing, just watch out, especially on bridges and overpasses that aren't treated. There might be a little bit of black ice. Here in Syracuse, we'll be above freezing during the overnight. We were above normal today, but nothing like what's going on in the west. It was as warm as 90 degrees as far east as Kansas City. It was 90 in San Francisco. It's not on the map. Phoenix was 105. There were 3 spots in Arizona, 1 in California that hit 112 degrees. I believe that's the record warmest temperature in March in the lower 48 states here. Let's show you what's going on our weather here overnight. A lot of clouds, areas of fog, locally dense north of Syracuse. We start out with clouds tomorrow morning. I think that we will likely see some areas where we get some thinning of the clouds. So there'll be a little bit of sunshine, if not by noon, shortly after. So that's our best chance for sun tomorrow. And then the clouds start to roll in. The next system's about to move in, and there may be a few rain or snow showers around Syracuse early in the evening, maybe even some steadier snow farther north, and there could be a light accumulation. Let's take a look here, traced to maybe a couple of inches over parts of southeastern Jefferson and eastern Lewis counties. This is ahead of a warm front. That warm front, the leading edge to warmer air. It's a little bit milder here, I think, here on Sunday. We got some scattered showers in the morning, and then a period of rain close to us, or maybe just a little bit farther south of Syracuse. That's by 4 o'clock. It may even end as a little bit of snow over higher elevations. So here's your planning forecast. Looks like we've got the rain on Sunday, changing over to a little bit of snow over higher elevations, 46. And then colder air comes in for Monday. It's going to be blustery. Snow showers around in 36. Sun and clouds, we're back into the 40s here on Tuesday. I expect a couple of scattered light rain or snow showers on Wednesday. Thursday, a better chance for some rain. Higher elevations could see some wet snow. And then we're back into the colder air. 36 sun and clouds on Friday.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.